Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Honest is I arranged my orchids, yes. And you know what? I surprised that one of the dry here that he didn't taking care of orchids. He removed very fast that I didn't tell him. It may be because yeah. Tignan mo guys sa totoo lang is I concerned to my daughter to, I concerned my plant kasi sa totoo lang kung if he cannot manage to taking care of plants or give water, how can he taking care of my daughter? Yeah, that's the biggest questions in life. Honest is I want to bring plants, I want to bring my daughters too because I know that my daughters cannot survive with him because yes, he always anxious, yeah. He always crazy, yes. And then you know what? Yesterday he is not okay, and then after a while he is okay, and then today he is okay again. Yeah, he is not okay. He is okay. Yeah. His life is like that, and he want people here. He want that I will live together with dead person. Yeah. To ruin my life and dignity. Then Mark, if you think that I destroyed your country, I give your country embarrass. By the way, say in Pandan Antique Court. Yeah, we need to talk there. Yes. I think it's a good idea that yeah, we talk Sir Rapi Tulfo, Attorney Acosta, it's a Philippines attorney, it's a Philippines lawyer, yeah, and Suko, yeah. I need assistant because they have a lot of reports. Yes, they have a plan to bring me in different country in Europe. Yeah, to make me poll. Yeah, yeah. You cannot arrest the person without making a crime. If we want to stop this issue, see you in Pandan. Yeah, that's the best solution that we can solve the problems. Yes. See you there in Pandan. People in Pandan, they are nice if you're nice. Yes. Honest is, I came from a nice family. Don't destroy me it because one of the relatives you recruits them because of money. And it's not my fault if, your money is the most powerful ever to make a crime. Promises, like what they said, money is a devil. Yeah. It came from devil, they make it more devil, yeah. And by the way, Denmark, if you think that I embarrass your country, I cannot say sorry. Yes. If I'm guilty for light test, we need light test, okay? I don't need to say sorry. You can kill me, yeah, in Pandan. See you in Pandan, you cannot kill me wherever I go. Especially if I have stopover in Copenhagen, Aarhus or airport to Copenhagen, Copenhagen to Bangkok, Bangkok to Manila, Manila to Kalibo, Aklan. See you in Pandan if you want to kill me in legal way. Yeah. See you there. Okay? Bye.